Hello everyone, this video is telling you how to read and understand signs and labels. This video is for Assignment 1, Occupational, Safe, Healthy, and Environment. A lab can be filled with dangerous chemicals, radioactive substance, biological specimens, sharp instruments, breakable glassware, and inflammable objects. The following laboratory safety symbols warn of possible dangers in the laboratory to help lab professionals keep safe and informed. As the objective, all people in the workplace should note and understand the hazard communication information on laboratory safety signs. In order to maintain a safe workplace and avoid accidents, lab safety symbols and signs need to be posted throughout the workplace. Safety signs can assist the communication of important instruction, reinforce safety message, and provide instruction for emergency situation. Workplaces have an obligation under the health and safety legislation to use signs where practicable to highlight a serious hazard or risk in the workplace. Type of sign. As the opening, we have prohibition signs. Signs that indicate that an action or activity is not permitted. Prohibition signs indicate an action or behavior that is not permitted. The sign is shown as the red circle with the red slash over a black icon in the action. At the second one, we have mandatory signs. Signs that indicate an instruction must be carried out. Mandatory signs provide specific instruction that must be carried out. The icons are in white, reversed out of a blue circle. At the third place, we have danger signs. Danger signs communicate a hazard, condition, or situation that is likely to be life-threatening. The sign is shown as the word danger on the red oval over a black rectangle. Next, we have warning signs. These warning signs warn of a hazard or condition that are not likely life-threatening. These safety signs consist of black triangle and icon on a yellow background with supporting black text if required. Next, we have fire safety signs. These signs advise the location of fire alarms and firefighting equipment. They contain white symbols and or text on a red background. Emergency signs. These indicate the location of or direction to emergency facilities. These signs features a white symbol and or text on a green background.
Chemicals labeling. The importance of chemical labeling. Labels are a suitable group of written, printed, or graphic informational elements about the chemicals that are printed on the outside of packaging. The purpose of chemical labeling. The label provides information regarding the specific chemicals for anyone who handles, uses, and stores it. Label elements. The first one is product identifier. This is to know how the chemical is identified. This can be the chemical name, code number, or batch number. And then there is ingredients to give the information about the proportion of each ingredient that contained in the chemical. Hazard pictograms are graphic symbols used to communicate specific information about the hazard of a chemical. In label, there are also name, address, telephone number, and website of the chemical manufacturer. Signal words are used on labels to represent the relative level of severity of a hazard and to remind the user of a potential hazard. The terms danger and warning can be used to identify signal words. Hazard statements describe the nature of the hazard of a chemical. Precautionary statements highlight recommended procedure to limit or prevent adverse effects from hazardous chemical exposure or inappropriate storage or handling. Precautionary statements are classified into 4 types. The first one is a response. It gives information about how to react in case of an accident happen. The second one is prevention to reduce exposure. And then there is storage to give information on how to store the chemical. And the last one is disposal.
Thank you very much for your attention until the last part of our video. Beli emas di toko nanas. That's all from us. Thank you very much.